What's up, guys? This your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Today, hopefully it'll be better than the other day. The other day, we actually was on our way to an appointment, and the truck stopped on us. Right
We
here.
made it farther than we did.
We made it to right here. We were able to push it over here in this parking lot over here. Right here. Right there on the end. We was parked right there.
Right where that blue car was.
Yep. It's crazy. All of a sudden you heard a poof from under the hood. It was the ignition coil went up. So therefore we had to change out the ignition coil. And I did not record none of it. I know I should have recorded it, but I didn't. That was all on me. So we are on our way over to the house to go get some work done, and we gotta meet the internet guy so he can hook up the internet as well. Because we gotta have internet.
This is a different way than before. We meant to again.
Yeah, it's the way we came home the other day. We're gonna see if you remember this direction.
I don't think I do because I fell asleep. I don't think I do because I fell asleep.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. You know, after picking up all those different rolls of vinyl tile. Yeah. Just a little.
So yeah, this is the back way to the house.
Sad thing is that it's got a nicer look to it. I don't know. To me, it's got a nicer look because it gives you like a no.
It's a little rough.
The road don't look too nice, but just looking around, it's so different trails that you got. Everything like that.
It's rough down through here to go the back way.
Good thing we're in a pickup. A slightly lifted pickup.
Slightly. Keyword. You said it correctly.
Slightly. Oh yeah, dude.
Now you do.
Yeah. I remember that sign. You know why I say I remember that sign?
Why?
Because Scott was throwing rocks at it.
Right. And I was sitting on this side doing
Yeah. No, not
I mean,
donut.
spin that wheel.
Yeah. Didn't know this led to the house.
Yeah. Scott told me about it. There's a straight, sharp turn, people.
I wonder what's back that way.
Pickup truck on my heels, too.
Something about him just hits wrong. He is real close to you. And he got the lights on top of the truck. Got the lights on top of the truck. He got the upgraded bumper. He look like he could ram into you and nothing be wrong with his truck.
Definitely can see the difference in that cabinet and this cabinet. So,
Coming off
look, sink clean. Yeah. Slowly working.
Look.
We just seeing how clean we can get this stove.
It's coming clean.
If it come clean, we might just keep it. Depending on, my wife, she might want some black shit. So, excuse me. She might want some black stuff. So therefore, we just cleaning it to be cleaning it. Because if we don't keep it, we can sell it. So we cleaning it up. So yeah, that's where we at. Messing around with the stove, cleaned up the sink. Now we cleaning all the cabinets. In here, we got a drought installation we got put in because it took the installation out, and we got to put a wall up over here and a wall up back here. So that's what we doing today. getting caught in wires. That's what we doing today. Is getting the walls put in, or putting the walls in. We was, like I said earlier in the video, we was waiting on the internet man, but the power was off. Our power won't be transferred over here till Monday, so therefore we gotta wait till Monday to get the internet on. So that way we have internet access while we're here, and you know, might want to put TV in while we work. You know what I mean? Take a break or something. So even though I got Ruco, but I gotta have internet too still. So yeah, that's where we at right now. So I'll let y'all see the outcome of the cabinets and the stove when we done. Now I'm sitting here tripping, cause he's steady telling me we getting somewhere, and I ain't paying no attention, right? I look at him and I'm like, bro, you're scrubbing the whole fucking background scene off of the back of the stove. He was like, it's black, ain't it? And I'm like, look, y'all. Alright, y'all can see here that this is the color the stove is supposed to be right here. And this is supposed to be black. He done scrubbed it down the... He took a Brillo pad and scrubbed it down to bare metal, y'all. You can't make this shit up. Bare metal.
I'm done.
That's what an ox does for you.
Nigga used a little too much elbow grease.
What? He didn't use elbow grease. He used knee grease, back grease. He used a little bit of everything to fucking scrub this stove. I'm done. But we'll be back in a minute. Oh shit. Oh. Look, you gotta get a picture of you. Oh. I do want a CJ joint. Hey, go ahead, tap the button. Alright guys, I'm back, and we had to shoot to Lowe's real quick to grab some installation. As y'all seen in the video, sorry about that, I'm having a bad day. As y'all seen in the video, the drywall needed to be changed out. I mean the installation, besides just the drywall being changed. So therefore, I had to go and grab some installation. And my leg bad. My son is at the house getting some of the old stuff that the people left, burning it outside. It's a nice day, so he out there burning some of that furniture. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, I'm at Lowe's, y'all. I'm at Lowe's. See how this go in here. Now, if I had to put the camera down, y'all have to excuse me. But yeah, we at Lowe's doing some home improvement shopping. So you gotta, excuse me, I gotta go to aisle 50 something, which that's gonna be back this way, like I thought. Yeah, man. Lowe's. I don't need no riding tractor. Now, he can walk and cut that grass. You know, even though I would, but you know, he can walk. So, the kitchen is back together now. The kitchen is livable. That can be used. 16 by 32. I only need this one. Yep, that's the one we need. 15 by 32. We ain't lose it. So, yep. Let me carry this through the store and I'll get back to y'all because I still got to grab some insulation filler. So give me a minute. I don't know what happened, y'all, but we getting ready to put the installation in and then we got to measure between here.
Watch her.
So that way, in between here, so that way we can put a beam across. We can put a beam across. And since he got it, y'all can see me. We're gonna put a beam across so that way the computer monitor can go on the wall. So yep. So we just gonna load up the installation and then measure it, and then we're gonna get out of here. We got the fire going. I know it's late. So they didn't go as planned. Didn't do anything go as planned all the time? No. So we're gonna knock this out. Y'all will see tomorrow when I come back in, and it'll be in, and then y'all probably see us put up the put up the wall and the beam right here for the computer. So, and the same thing over here. We have to put a beam in between here to hold our TV. So, yep, that's what we're doing. And then we'll put the drywall on. Ain't no point putting drywall on, not put a beam there to reinforce the TV stand holder. So, yep. With that being said, y'all, it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get all the upcoming content that I put out. Greatly appreciated. And then when I say smash that thumbs up, hit that thumbs up so that way it can help the algorithms in the video and push the video, so that way more audience can see it. So, give the video a thumbs up. Catch y'all next one. Peace.
Okay, recording.
Grab that one all the way up. I don't understand.
I was going to, but you needed the light to see where to cut. You can only see but so much. Well, dang, you got it now.
There you go. It ain't nothing to do this.
Right? I'm busy.
Huh?
So I'm busy. You got it? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. You just got your whole butt in the camera though.
I ain't need to. Sorry, people.
You got enough for this wall and possibly this one. Hear me?
Yeah.
Next gen bypass. So this is the next gen bypass. This ain't no cheap stuff. This is next gen.
Sorry, y'all. I'm in the camera.
It's just that hanger I hung up. not gonna be able to do the whole other wall, but we can do part of it.
Yeah.
Huh? Let me know if you need a new razor blade.
Huh?
So let me know if you need a new blade. It's not even cutting, it's just ripping.
I know, right?
Use the other side of it.
Some of it is cutting. Some of it is just ripping.
Here.
You want to tuck that in?
Yeah,
brother?
that's what I said here.
Alright. Okay. You know, go on the other side of the wire. Lift it up.
Up.
Up on the, you gotta go up. Ready? Yep. Yep. Nice, fresh, new installation. There it is. Close that up for me.
You just said close it up for you.
That's why I cut it extra. That's why I cut it extra to make sure that it got in there and it was at the bottom. So that's gonna be the end of this. Like I said, we just gotta get
and give him a little
wood. Get the wood, put it in there. Where the tape measure? So, cause I'm quite sure you don't remember.
7.5 inches.
7.5
Yeah.
inside.